Hello and welcome to your course Construction Cost Planning and Week 6, in which we'll cover Engineering Services Cost Planning. Remember last week we looked at construction cost data, and in the previous week we mentioned that the services elements of a building will have a significant cost impact, more so for particularly complex buildings. It is often said that buildings are more than just bricks and mortar, and in fact as much as 30 to 40% of construction costs are associated with engineering services for modern buildings. Whereas the structure provides the necessary accommodation and shelter, it is said that it is the services, that is like the lighting, power supply, transportation and communication, etc., that brings the building to life. So this week we will be looking at common issues and challenges of building services cost planning because of their increasing importance due to the advent of technologies being incorporated into modern buildings. Services are also a somewhat unique set of building elements in that their design will be undertaken by specialist engineers and not by the lead architect or head designer. Accurate and timely cost information on services can be more difficult to ascertain due to their uniqueness, and often the full scope of an engineering service is less defined at the completion of the building design and proceeding to tender. An example being an electrical or plumbing installation which is schematic only, where cable and pipe runs are left to the contractor to figure out once the shell is completed. So in the design and procurement of the various services elements and applying cost planning, we need to consider they are unique, purpose-built systems, they're complex, they're not off the shelf, with specialist skills and knowledge required for design, fabrication and installation. They're generally procured through a specialist subcontractor due to the specialist nature, and the specialist subcontractor is often nominated by the client and architect, which introduces further challenges in the cost planning of the entire building, which we will discuss. So at the end of this week, students, after undertaking learning activities and tasks, should be able to describe the common features and characteristics of building engineering services, understand the basic rules of measurement for services in cost planning, understand the concept of a smart, intelligent and adaptive building with green building features, and discuss problems inherent in cost planning of engineering services and methods of pricing services. I hope you enjoy your learning activities this week.